Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into an important topic that every car owner should know about: how to check the manufacturing date on your car tires. Knowing the age of your tires can help you make informed decisions about safety and performance. So, let's get started. Every tire has a code printed on its sidewall. This is known as the DOT code, which stands for the Department of Transportation. It's a string of letters and numbers that provides important information about your tire, including the manufacturing date. Let's take a closer look. Here, you'll see a series of characters starting with DOT, followed by a series of letters and numbers. What we're interested in is the last 4 digits of this code. These 4 numbers represent the week and year the tire was manufactured. The first 2 digits tell you the week, and the last 2 digits indicate the year. For example, if you see 31/5, this means the tire was manufactured in the 31st week of 2015. Driving on old tires can lead to decreased performance, reduced traction, and even tire failure. That's why it's important to know how old your tires are. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.